एक्साई न्यूज। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट नैन्सी और आप सभी का मैं स्वागत करती हूं आज स्पेशल प्रोग्राम में। आपको बता दें कि आज के स्पेशल प्रोग्राम में हम यहां पर बात कर रहे हैं बॉलीवुड और टीवी टाउन की फेवरेट डायरेक्टर कम प्रोड्यूसर यानी कि एकता कपूर को लेकर। जी हाँ, एकता कपूर अपने बेहतर सीरियल के लिए जानी जाती हैं, एकता कपूर अपनी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स के लिए जानी जाती हैं, मगर अब एकता है कि उन्होंने म्यूजिक में भी कदम रख लिया है। जी हाँ, हाल ही में आप देखेंगे कि एक म्यूजिक लॉन्च के मौके पर एकता कपूर को बुलाया गया था, जहां पर एकता ने जम के डांस किया और उनकी मस्ती देखकर आप भी मस्ताने हो जाएंगे। देखिए हमारी एक खास वीडियो और देखिए कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर एकता फुल टू मस्ती कर रही हैं। बॉलीवुड की या फिर यूं कहें कि टीवी टाउन की फेमस डायरेक्टर कहलाए जाने वाली डायरेक्टर कम प्रोड्यूसर एकता कपूर, जो अक्सर ही अपनी खूबसूरती के लिए, अपनी स्टाइलिंग के लिए और अपनी बेहतर प्रोडक्शन और डायरेक्शन के लिए जानी जाती है। दरअसल हाल ही में एकता कपूर को एल्बम लॉन्च के मौके पर देखा गया, जहां पर एकता कपूर ब्रोकन बट ब्यूटीफुल के लॉन्च के मौके पर पहुंची, जहां पर एकता ने अपने काम को लेकर भी तमाम चीजों का जिक्र किया, जहां पर एकता ने तमाम बातों का भी जिक्र किया है। तो वहीं यहाँ पर देखा गया एकता का मस्ताना अंदाज। जी हाँ, आप देखेंगे कि जिस तरह से यहाँ पर एकता कपूर डांस करती दिखाई दे रही हैं। आप देख रहे होंगे कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर इस म्यूजिक लॉन्च के मौके पर जब इस एल्बम के गाने को बजाया गया तो एकता कपूर एकदम मस्ताने भरे अंदाज में नाचने लगी। जी हाँ, इतना ही नहीं, यहाँ पर एकता ने तमाम बातों का भी जिक्र किया है कि किस तरह का अनुभव उनका इस म्यूजिक लॉन्च पर रहा, किस तरह के एक्सपीरियंस भी उन्होंने लिए हैं, क्या कुछ यहाँ पर रहा, क्या कुछ कहती एकता दिखाई दे रही हैं। आप देखिए हमारे इस खास वीडियो में।
So I just want to say this that it's a show which is, I mean, we've all heard about broken hearts, but I don't think we've ever celebrated our broken self. So it's a celebration of that. It's a very close friend of mine turning producer, Sarita Tanwar. It's a celebration of second chances, new beginnings, and wearing your scars and your pain and your failures and your setbacks like a warrior would wear his wounds and badges. So, I think going into a situation like falling in love keeps you absolutely vulnerable because you give your heart. That's the most precious part of you. And हमें रिकवर करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता, कोई डॉक्टर नहीं होता और कोई हमें कहता नहीं है कि अब आज से यू हैव टू स्टार्ट अगेन. Internal pain, internal wounds, especially mental and especially those of the heart, have a longer healing time, and no one gives you that time. So this is to that love. I don't know what else to say, except that if you think that the reason a lot of relationships of yours are established, trust me, my relationships are only through my shows. I don't have that many of my own.
Yeah, but I have to ask you this question. यार आरजे हूँ तो सवाल तो बनता ही है. I want to know why. Why did you choose कि आपको ये web series Broken के ऊपर बनाना? I know that once Ekta takes something, it is something that you truly believe in.
It was a concept that was close to my heart. I won't say anything more than that.
So that's like, we need to wait and watch. 27th, my friends, is the day that we will know all of it. But there's a wonderful cast out there as well, welcoming you. And let's hope कि आज जो broken hearts है, pieces puzzle के हम एक साथ डाल देंगे.
Yes.
And thank you so much, Ekta, for being with us.
Thank you.
Vikrant, your association, of course, has been earlier with Ekta and now with Broken. Like, how not broken are you to be a part of this?
Is
Reshu here?
Reshu, yeah. Is Reshu Nath here?
No, okay.
Oh, I guess she hasn't made it yet.
We'll keep announcing for the cast and crew.
Yeah, I mean, like, as you said, this is not my first association with her. And I'm really thankful to her as always for, you know, pushing my own boundaries as an actor. And I'm really excited. 27th ko aa raha hai, so everyone's keeping our fingers crossed. I'm not as confident as Sarita ma'am. I think I will only sort of breathe a little better after I see it. But I'm really hoping that people, you know, enjoy it as much as we enjoyed making this.
Listen, you have to keep passing the mic to everybody who's a part of you. Okay? Part of your cast, so that we get to know a little secret before we watch. Harleen, where are you? Harleen, go for it. Harleen is like, nahi, nahi, mujhe mic mat dena. Go for it.
Because it's my first
Web
digital
series.
debut, yeah.
Yeah.
I have only thank yous to give to Ekta ji, to Sarita ji.
She doesn't, Sarita. Correct?
We actually call her ST.
Okay.
We
so
have
we'll
a
call
very
you
love
ST.
and hate relationship. Yeah. Producer Didi, she reminded me.
Hashtag producer Didi.
Hashtag producer Didi.
Okay.
The amazing actors we have on board. Vikrant, obviously, I had such a good time shooting with. I learned so much. So yeah, just all thanks to the amazing team that I worked with. And yeah, butterflies. But like she said that we are confident in a way. Yeah, slightly nervous. So mixed feelings, mixed emotions.
Listen, I think everybody here is extremely confident, so you don't have to be nervous at all. We're getting like amazing vibes from this
Oh,
already.
I'm shivering.
Okay, Ekta. Dun-dun-dun-dun, again.
Dadang, dadang, dadang.
Yeah, so, you know,
goes
we
all
dadang. Okay, but why do you think Broken is going to break every other stereotype about love on television and on web series? See, web series also, we've seen so much that's happened about love, you know?
I think shows don't do that much. They don't explore love so much because there's so much more to explore more. But I feel in between the creases of storytelling on TV and film, we have lost out on some very small detailing. Love is usually when people meet, they fall in love. I've done it many times. Dupattas fly, songs happen, chaat ke safar mein, and all. But we never deal with what is called the internal struggles when someone walks out on you. I don't know how big a show it will be, kitne record todega, but kahin na kahin kuch shows aise hote hain because they deal with such simple emotions, they have huge connect, and I want that to happen.
Wow, and it sounds very exciting. Let's hear it for Ekta Kapoor. And
I have to say this.
Yeah.
This is my, I think, third outing with this boy. Many years ago, there was a boy I saw, and he was working with me. His name was Rajkumar Rao. And he had cut his hair for bows. And I remember Mohit Suri telling me, I think कोई film के लिए उसने अपने बाल काटे हैं. तो I said, नहीं, एक वेब शो के लिए. वेब शो के बाल कौन काटता है? I said, उसने काटे हैं. और वो भी कोई बड़ा इंटरनेशनल ऐप के लिए नहीं. मेरे ऐप के लिए उसने बाल काटे. I said, ये आदमी इतना बड़ा स्टार बनेगा. The second person I'm saying this about is this boy.
Wow, brilliant.
I have a feeling in my heart, we will see Vikrant grow so much and he'll make me so proud.
I mean, that's so sweet.
And Harleen, of course, is one of my good friends, and I think she has done a brilliant job. This is just the beginning. She's going to shimmy through the crowd.
Yeah. Listen, you guys are already doing single parties together. We've stalked you enough.
Guys, it's called Jungly Billy. Our gang is called Jungly Billy.
Jungly Billy. Wow.
Very contrary to the kind of role she's playing on the show.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to now open the questions to all of you. Anybody who wants to ask a question, we'll pass on the mic. हाथ ऊपर कर दीजिए. तो माइक आपके पास पहुंच जाएगा.
There's a party going on behind. I want to join them.
Yeah, there's a Sangeet, ladies Sangeet happening. Okay.
Hi, my question is to Ekta. Why did you decide to have an album for Broken? I mean, what made you decide that you need original songs?
I think it was a joint decision between my producers, Sarita and me. She had some great music and she wanted to do originals, you know. She was very clear that an album like this, unless it is a song that has not come in film, the originality would go if I tried to take a movie song and put it in the album. And I think she's 100% right. Of course, it's very tough for us. We are a new app to promote the songs. We've used our television resources. We have tried up now, but the kind of response we're getting, I think she's 100% right. We should always try to get originals for web shows,
So
especially
will
by
we
love.
see you kind of venturing into music production soon for your own shows?
So it doesn't, I mean, it's not going to be structured. It's ad hoc. It depends on the show that needs it. And I'd like to support good shows with fresh originals, you know.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Yeah, my question is for Ekta ma'am. since it's called Broken But Beautiful, so the series is about heartbreak. So I wanted to know if you have ever faced any heartbreak moment in your real life.
Deep.
This is as close to my broken heart as it can get. So, yeah, I have had loss of self-esteem. I have faced, after being so successful in certain sections of my life, felt unsuccessful and felt broken and felt low on my own confidence. Felt like when somebody walks away from you, you realize and you feel like you're not good enough. And then you have to start loving yourself. This process that we all have faced has become the narrative of this show.
Thank you so much.
अच्छा एकता ये अच्छा बाकी और वेब सीरीज के मुकाबले ये काफी साफ सुथरी है, इसके अंदर कहीं हमने गंदगी नहीं देखी।
बहुत बिल्कुल साफ सुथरी है, you know, I mean really this is not।
तो ये किसका डिसीजन था, आपका था ये?
You spoken to that's Sarita Singh, but ये मेरा डिसीजन बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता है, साफ सुथरी and me not possible. But some of us like it dirty. But I actually believe हर स्टोरी का अपना नरेटिव होता है, और अगर आप होम देखेंगे वो भी साफ सुथरी थी, बिल्कुल मैंने उसमें कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं किया था. But I actually believe every story has its own. This is about the heart, not about other parts of the body. So let's keep it to the heart.
Okay, विक्रांत, मेरा सवाल आपसे है।
सो वेल फ्रेंड्स, आपने देखा स्पेशल प्रोग्राम जहां पर हम बात कर रहे हैं एकता कपूर को लेकर। आपने देखा किस तरह से यहाँ पर एकता कपूर जो है वो एकदम फुल टू मस्ती भरे अंदाज में रही। देखा गया है कि वो जिस तरह से खबरों में छाई रहती हैं अपने कपड़ों को लेकर, अपने स्टाइलिंग को लेकर, कहीं ना कहीं ये कहना भी गलत नहीं है कि एकता कपूर भी एक्ट्रेस से कम नहीं है। आपने देखा किस तरह से वो यहाँ पर मस्ती कर रही थी। वहीं यहाँ पर एकता ने अपने एक्सपीरियंस को भी शेयर किया कि आखिरकार किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा उनका, जहां वो फिल्में बनाती थी, जहां वो सीरियल्स बनाती थी। तो ऐसे में अब म्यूजिक में आना कहीं ना कहीं काफी दिलचस्प भी रहा। फिलहाल आज के इस प्रोग्राम में बस इतना ही, हमें दीजिए इजाजत, मगर तब तक के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।